Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. Today, I'd like to show you how I made these nice, good Hershey Kisses peanut butter cookies. Very delicious, very easy to make, and just follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we want a half a cup of butter, a half a teaspoon, a half a cup of sugar. Okay, we're going to mix this well together. Okay, 1 egg and a half a cup of brown sugar. Okay, we're going to put a cup and a third of all-purpose flour, or not all-purpose flour, we're going to put self-rising flour. Okay, we're going to put about almost a cup of peanut butter in here. Okay, we're going to mix this good together. Okay, we're going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, I want to take, last thing is I want to take a little bit of butter and some peanut butter chips. And I'm going to microwave this. Okay, now we're going to put the melted chocolate chips. Right my hell. Anyways, now we're going to stir this very well together. Our peanut butter cookies. We're going to roll all of these out. Roll them on out. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put a chocolate in the middle of all these. White chocolate. Twist. Look at these delicious cookies. I'm telling you, they smell good. They smell very good. Alright, we're going to do a taste test on this. Look at that. Look how beautiful them look. We're going to start with this one right here. Look at that. Oh my God, those are good. Very delicious. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do try to hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And I want y'all to have a blessing day.